Hey, it's BMRC here. Quick intro to all of this. This is going to be part 2 of the Marlin 81DL. I got all of the mechanical parts needed. So this is a new outer tube, or used, well, new to this rifle. Mostly, other thing was the apertures here. And I got both of the target one, that's .050, and the hunting version, that's .080. I used it at 50 feet. I have the clip after this to show that it works. You know, it's working fine. Injects. I did have a little bit of a problem when fully loaded, like the 17 rounds and LR. It'll show here at the slot for the magazine. Closed it all the way down, and I had I don't know, the dang follower for the inner magazine tube would stick. Of course, probably being it sat for how long, maybe it just needs a cleaning. I'm gonna try to figure out if I can get it apart, clean it, lubricate it. Maybe a dry film lubrication would be good. But that's pretty much it. It's mechanically it's working. I just want to refinish the stock and probably refinish the metal. The barrel does have very small pitting on it. And these are results. You'll see a couple more again in the video. 50 feet blazers, about 5 rounds here, about 10 rounds here. I can really probably dial it in some more with some proper benching and rests and stuff. Eventually I'll get there, but with the indoor range that allows me to do that, and yeah, it's going along great. Hopefully have a update in a few months about when now it's getting cold out, and get the stock refinished with a nice, probably a lighter color. I want something to actually show the wood grain out. Okay, and you'll see the in action clip next. Thanks.